Hey, I'm Melody Ann, and this is Author Nation. And if you've published a book or are about to publish a book, a nonfiction book, you might be asking yourself, how do I promote this thing? How do I get my ideal readers to actually buy my book? Today, I'm not going to throw 15 tactics at you or trendy hacks. I'm going to share with you 3 proven evergreen strategies that consistently work. Strategies that I see new authors not using. And they take a little time to set up and they take a little effort, but the results are much better than a lot of the other things I see authors trying to do. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do, strategy number 1, is build a beautiful castle all of your own. I'm talking about your author platform. And your platform is not Facebook or TikTok or Instagram or X. Your platform is your website, something you own. It's your speaker page, it's your book page, it could be your podcast, your email list. And here's the thing, I'll say it again, you own it. There's no algorithm. When people show up, you get to direct them where you want them to go. It's not some social platform that comes and then it's gone and nobody ever sees the post again. It's about you. If someone hears about your book and they Google your name or the book's name, what do they find? You want them to find a strong author platform, something that builds credibility, holds your call to action, leads them to where you want them to go. And of course, showcases your book, your message, your expertise, any courses or anything else you have. So if you want to book media spots, if you want paid speaking gigs, if you want partnership deals, if you want the things that can really catapult you forward, build a castle. Your platform can be powerful, and it's a way to make other people say yes easily. So the bottom line, if your readers can't find you, they can't interact with you, and they definitely aren't buying your book from you. Okay, number 2, I want to talk about the email list. Yes, I mentioned it above in platform, but it's really important that we look at it very specifically, because now that they've come to your website, they found your email list, they've signed up, now we can consistently convert them into readers who buy your book, because everything else is borrowed. Your social media is borrowed. When you are a guest on another podcast, that's borrowed. Email subscribers, that is your direct link. Think about it. I talked about your platform being your castle. Now, when the kings or the queens wanted to speak to their people, they sent out messengers on horseback, and the messengers would go out and spread the news. So that's your email list. It's the messengers. And yes, if sometimes the king or the queen stood on the balcony and gave proclamations, that's, public speaking from their own platform. And you can do that too. But that email list, it's part of your platform, but it's a different tool because it delivers different results. It's personal, it's direct. People are inviting you into their inbox, and that's special. And so if people invite you into their inbox, you now have a way to communicate, build that relationship, sell your book, sell your courses, sell your coaching, or whatever else it is. Because social media is not part of your platform. It's part of discovery, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But email is for conversion and it's for relationship building. So if you want to sell more books, stop chasing the trends and start building a platform that includes emails that connect, inspire, and invite people to take action. Okay, strategy number 3. Now, this is the strategy outside of your platform, but it's not social media. Strategy number 3 is about collaborating for a bigger reach. So especially for authors. So you are an author of a parenting book, and you see another parenting book or a different parenting book and a 4th parenting book and a 6th parenting book. And you think, oh my God, all these parenting books for people to buy. How many parenting books do people read? Well, people who read parenting books tend to read a lot of parenting books. So all of those people are collaboration partners for you. And this is what this final strategy is about: finding other people who have the same audience as you and working together to introduce your audience to their audience and their audience to, your audience to them and their audience to you. And you can do this through co-hosted webinars, co-hosted events, podcast interviews, joint giveaways, cross-promoted newsletters, and the list goes on. Why does it work? That author's audience, or that podcast host, or that speaker, event producer, or whoever they are, they already have an audience that trusts them. And when they invite you onto their stage, and when they partner with you, they are telling their audience that they trust you, therefore the audience can trust you. It builds trust faster, much faster. So collaboration isn't competition, it's strategic visibility. So 3 things you want to do: platform, email list, part of the platform, but it has different tools, different results, and of course, your collaboration partnership. So if you're sitting there wondering, how do I actually sell this book? These are the 3 proven strategies that will help you promote your book. And yes, building a platform can be timely, it can be costly, it can be a bit challenging, especially if you don't know the tech. But here's the thing. Once it's done, it's there, it's evergreen. Email list, once it's set up, it's there, it's evergreen. So go build your platform, nurture an email list that buys, and meet and nurture relationships with other people who already have trust with your audience. These 3 proven strategies for book promotion, they will get you results, not guesses. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start seeing real momentum, go implement these 3 strategies. And if you would like some help with that, check out the description and get in touch and we can help you, because your book deserves more than just to be some product listing or a social media ad or post that disappears. It deserves readers, buyers, and we want your book to make the impact that you want your book to make. And if this video helped, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe for more weekly tips on writing, publishing, and promoting your book with confidence, because you have something powerful to say. So let's make sure the right people hear it and buy your book. Thank you for watching.